Welcome to Shibboleth Journey lesson number 3. Now, we've been talking about macronutrients, micronutrients, how all of that fits into the fast track system that you've already come through and done well with. We're just taking that deeper dive to help you have a better understanding of nutrition so that you can make better decisions. Understanding how your body works, I think, is so important. And when we're talking about losing weight, it's very, very important that while in a calorie deficit, that we are supporting our muscle with the proper macronutrient profile and with those micro and phytonutrients. Now, something else we really need to talk about is the vital importance of amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. They are essential components of every cell in our body. We can't have life without amino acids. Proteins help in cell structure, functions of the cells, functions of the organs, and regulation of the body's tissues. So they're of vital importance. And when you're trying to lose weight and you are reducing calories below that the body needs so that you can get rid of excess fat, if your body's not getting the essential nutrition that it needs to operate, everything slows down. Your metabolism slows down. You're not going to burn as many calories at rest. So amino acids being like the most vital nutrient that we can get in becomes even more important because you're not getting that surplus of calories anymore. Yeah, the surplus of calories that you were getting was mostly coming from processed foods and junk, but still it was a surplus of calories and your body's getting more than what it needs. Therefore, it's expanding very rapidly. Now you are diminishing in size. That's a good thing. Getting rid of that excess body fat is priority number one. But again, you've got to make sure that those calories you're getting in, they are quality calories, and that begins with amino acids. Concerning human nutrition, there are 20 amino acids in total. These are classified into two categories: essential and non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are those amino acids that we have to get in through our food intake. So the essential amino acids are the most important ones that we need to be getting in and focusing on, and the food groups that contain them, supplements that contain them, because if we're not getting these in, everything's going to slow down. Your body can go into that mythical starvation mode. That's an entirely different lesson. I don't really believe in that. If you've got excess fat to get rid of, that you go in starvation mode, but your metabolic responses do slow down if you're not getting in essential amino acids that have to come in through the food that you're consuming. Rich sources of essential amino acids are typically animal proteins like meat, dairy, and eggs, but they can also be found in certain plant foods like quinoa, tofu, and buckwheat. Now, I want to bring up the ever-growing popularity of veganism right now. As you can see, we just brought up the importance of essential amino acids that have to come in from your food intake, and that if we're trying to lose body fat, it's very important that we even get more in. Now, think about veganism. It's very hard to get all the essential amino acids that we need in through plants. So if you are on a plant-based diet and trying to lose weight, it becomes ultra important that you pick out some good supplementation. Of course, you're going to need some extra B vitamins because those are hard to come by in plants, but you're also going to need to make sure that you supplement with essential amino acids. It's almost impossible to get all of the building blocks of lean tissue in from plants. You can do it, but it's like you'd have to eat a truckload of plant-based foods to get in all the essential amino acids that you need. When you're not getting those in, the cellular integrity, cellular structure, cellular activity begins to break down. So you've got to make sure if you're going to be plant-based, please talk to your physician. Make sure that you're getting in the correct amount of essential amino acids. Now, if you're eating a lot of animal-based foods, most likely you're getting in all the essential amino acids that you need. And once again, in summary, If you don't consume these through food, your body is not going to manufacture them. Now, there's non-essential amino acids, and these are the amino acids that your body can create on its own. So if you're not getting enough of these, very important. Now, just because I'm saying they're non-essential doesn't mean they're not important. Your body just has to manufacture them itself. And if your body's not manufacturing these non-essential amino acids, we really are going to start dealing with potential early onset disease. So amino acids are the building blocks of all life on our planet, not just the human body, but plants, every living thing, everything that lives on this planet has to have amino acids to support it. Amino acids have been shown and proven time and time again in studies to even cure many diseases. Now, I have to be careful about talking about the specific diseases that studies have, because I can get in trouble for that. You do your own research, but amino acids are of vital importance. Both essential and non-essential amino acids are vital for our health. They support various bodily functions, including building cells, repairing tissues, supporting the immune system, and aiding in nutrient absorption. That's right. If you're not getting in all of your amino acids, then you're not even absorbing the nutrition from your macros and micros. So super important. So quick summary, we need all 20 amino acids for our body to function properly, especially when we're in a calorie deficit and trying to lose body fat. 9 of these are essential, meaning we must obtain them from our diet, and 11 are non-essential, meaning our bodies can produce them. Remember, a non-essential doesn't mean unimportant. It's crucial to have a balanced diet to ensure our bodies get all the nutrients they need. And thank you for watching this. In the next lesson, lesson number 4, we're going to talk about the specific essential aminos and what foods you can get those in from. And if you're not eating enough of those foods, what are some good supplements so that you can get in those essential amino acids? I'll see you in the next lesson.